Hi, my name is Lisa Mason, and I'm a horticulture specialist with Colorado State University Extension in Arapahoe County. Let's talk about nuisance invaders. Nuisance invaders are insects that enter our homes, generally because they overwinter as adults and they're looking for a warm place to hunker down. It's important to note that nuisance invaders cannot reproduce or survive in your house. They also do not cause any damage, and they are generally not harmful in any way. We're going to talk about a few examples of solitary insects. Solitary means that you may come across an individual or two, but you're generally not going to see large numbers of these insects. Western conifer seed bugs are a common nuisance invader here in Colorado. They often attract a lot of attention when they enter a home because they are a little bit larger in size. Western conifer seed bugs are not stink bugs, but they can emit an odor in defense. These bugs are completely harmless, and they feed on the seeds of conifer trees like pines and Douglas fir trees. They cannot bite. These bugs look for a warm place to overwinter and may wander into your home, but they cannot survive more than a week or two without water. The best control option is to seal up any entry points into your home in the late summer or early fall. You can also clean up debris near the house to limit the overwintering places for them. There are currently no insecticides that have been approved for control, so it's best to vacuum or remove them from your house. Masked hunters are a year-round common invader. They can be found both indoors and outdoors. Masked hunters are actually considered a beneficial insect because they feed on a variety of pest, insects, and arthropods, many of which can be found inside your home. The nymphs camouflage themselves with lint, sawdust, and dirt. While masked hunters are considered beneficial, we don't recommend handling them because they could bite if they are provoked. Generally, control is not needed because these are solitary insects and you won't see large numbers of them. They're also feeding on a lot of pest, insects, and arthropods. If you would like to keep them out of your home, the best way is to seal up any entry points. Both masked hunters and western conifer seed bugs are sometimes confused with kissing bugs or conose bugs that are known to carry Chagas disease. Conose bugs are extremely rare to find in Colorado. We do have one species that's possible to find, but only a small number of individuals have been found in rural, undisturbed areas of western Colorado. To date, there have been no recorded infections of Chagas disease from Colorado. Most likely, you're seeing masked hunters or western conifer seed bugs inside your home. But if you would like a confirmed identification, contact your local extension office. We have a variety of stink bugs that can be found in Colorado. Some feed on plants and are considered pest species. Others are beneficial by feeding on other insects. There is one stink bug to note, though, and that is the brown marmorated stink bug, an invasive species that is a pest to crops. The best way to identify a brown marmorated stink bug is by looking at the white bands that can be found both on the antenna and the legs. Staying true to their name, stink bugs can emit an odor, so if you are sensitive to smells, it may be best not to smash them. Sealing up entry points into your home and vacuuming them can be a great option to remove them from your house. Note that stink bugs have several nymph stages, but for the brown marmorated stink bug, you will always be able to see the white bands on the antenna and the legs. Finding those cracks and crevices and sealing up your home is by far the most efficient long-term control for any nuisance invader. Identification is also important because that may indicate what control options are available. Be sure to see the Extension website for fact sheets and more information on nuisance invaders, and contact your local county Extension office. They can assist with identification and more information.